Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P20 Pro and let me show you how to change photo resolution in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now at the first place we have resolution option, so let's pick it to decide between 4 options. We are in 4 and 3 with 10 megapixels, so we can decide here between aspect ratio connected with quality in megapixels. 4 and 3 is also available with 40 megapixels, the best possible quality of this camera, so this is how to get access to it. And now let's move to 1 and 1 aspect ratio with 7 megapixels. And in the preview, now we can see that we have the square camera frame. Another tab to right corner to resolution, and let's move also to 18 and 9 with 7 megapixels, so for now we can see the full camera frame. And let's move back to the settings and to 4 and 3, the original one. So this is how to manage these settings. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.